Go get ready, you lazy arse. Close his eyes cutely. Cute and preppy eyes, ooh. Gives fork. Uses fork on hair. Moves to the back of hair. Cutely. Begins to tie it pair and styles it like a model. Reaches for my shank, hair dye. Puts in hair until it all comes out.
Be a good girl and lift your arms up for Ken.
Puts her outfit on cutely.
Be good for your daddy, kitten, and put your shoes on. You're all done, baby doll. Now let's go.
So I have a blocked nose and a cold, so that's why I sound really young, but I'm older than I sound. I sound like a child.